Hello everyone, let's go on our unit 7, titled At the Chemist's. Today we have a new lessons 3 and 4. Today we are talking about the difference between some and any, how to use some in a sentence and how also to use any in a sentence. We use some in positive clause or sentence. We usually use some. In positive clause, we usually use some. Look at the first example. I have some shampoo. I have some shampoo. And the next one, we have some makeup. As you can see, we start our sentence using the subject, and here we have the subject I, followed by the verb have. I have. I have some shampoo. And the next example, we have some makeup. As you can see, we start our sentence using the subject we, then followed by the verb have. So we said we have some. And as you can see, in positive clause, we use usually some. And the first and the second example, this is a positive clause. Look at the third example. He has some perfume. He has some perfume. As you can see, we used has, not have, because here we have the subject he and she. And the last example, she has some sunscreen. We used has with he, she, and it. And we use have with I, you, we, and they. So we say, I have, we have, you have, they have. But here we have he has, she has, and it has. And after has, as you can see here, we have some, after have, after has, and after have, and after has. So we use some with positive clause. Look at the form of have and has. We start our sentence using the subject I have, you have, we have, and they have. But here we have she has, he has, and it has. So we use some in positive clause. Let's move to any. In negative clause, we usually use any. In negative sentence or negative clause, we usually use any. Any. Look at the first example. I don't have any soap. I don't have any soap. And the next one, you don't have any shampoo. As you can see from the first example, we start with our subject I, followed by don't have, and the negative form of have, as you know, don't have, don't have. Then followed by any. Any, we used any in negative clause as we said. Don't have. Don't have is a negative sentence or negative clause. The next one, you don't have any shampoo. You don't have. Don't have also is a negative sentence. So we used any. I can't say I don't have some because we use some in positive clause. But but here we use any because here we have the negative clause, or we use it in negative clause. You don't have any. I don't have any. And the negative form of has, doesn't have, doesn't have. Look at the sentence. He doesn't have any toothpaste. He doesn't have any toothpaste. And the last one, she doesn't have any money. As you know, the negative form of has, doesn't have, he doesn't have, she doesn't have. And here we have any after doesn't have because we use any with negative clause. So we say he doesn't have any, she doesn't have any. Again, so we use any with negative clause or negative sentence. Look at the form of negative have or has. I don't have. You don't have. we don't have, and they don't have. And the negative form of has, he doesn't have, she doesn't have, and it doesn't have. Let's move to phonics time. Today we have final S with caps, 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 cats, 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 and ducks, ducks. So we pronounce it s, s, S sound. Again, caps, cats, and ducks. But here we have final S, bags, z, z. We pronounce it z, bags, bags, girls, girls, peas, peas. So at the first list, final S, we pronounce it s, S sound. And the next one, we pronounce it z, z sound. Again, caps, cats, ducks, bags, bags, girls, peas. Let's read the sentences. The first one, the cats and ducks have tops and caps. Number two, the peas, see the peas in the bags. Again, the cats and ducks have tops and caps. Number two, the peas, see the peas in the bags, in the bags. Number three, the girls sit on mats and eat chips. Again, the girls sit on mats and eat chips. So here we have the difference between S sound and Z sound. Caps, cats, ducks, bags, girls, peas, and peas. Hello guys, let's do some exercise on Unit 7. Choose the correct answer from A, B, or C. The first one, he doesn't have space candies. Some has any. He doesn't have, as you know, doesn't have is a negative form of has, so we have to use something which we use in negative sentence, which is any. So the answer is he doesn't have any candies. He doesn't have any candies. As you know, we use any with negative sentences. So the first one is any. Okay, and number two, we space have any shampoo. Okay, we space have any shampoo. Doesn't, don't, isn't. The negative form of have, don't have. So the answer is we don't have any shampoo. Okay, so number two, don't have any shampoo. We don't have any shampoo. Number three, space has some perfume. Has some perfume. Okay, has, you remember has, we use has with he or she or it. So the answer is she has some perfume. Okay, and as you know, we use they and we, or I and you, we use have with them. So the answer is she has some perfume. Number four, I have got three space. I have got three space. Three. Book, pen, bags. Okay, here we have three. It's more than one, so we have to use a plural noun or a plural. So the answer is bags. Okay, so the answer is bags. I have got three bags.
Number 5, I space got some candy. Is, has, have. As you know, we use have with I, we, or you, or they. So the answer is I have got some candy. Okay, I have got some candy. Let's move to number 2. Question number 2. Read and circle the odd one out. Okay, have, has, is, we. Have, has, and is are verbs. So the different one or the odd one is we. Excellent. Number 2. Toothpaste, shampoo, money, soap. Toothpaste, shampoo, money, and soap. Okay, number 2. Toothpaste, shampoo, eat, soap. Okay, take your time to be able to answer. Toothpaste, shampoo, eat, and soap. So the answer is eat. The circle the odd one. The odd one is eat. Okay, so eat is a different word because here we have toothpaste, shampoo, and soap are nouns. Okay, number 3. What, how, where, and tall. Here we have question marks, question words. What, and the next one, how, and where are these are question words, and the different one, tall. Tall is adjective, so the different word is tall. Okay, number 4. Play, read, write, and sing. Play, write, and sing, these are verbs, so the different one is read. Okay, thank you for your listening and see you next time.